Number 16. So when we look at number 16, we have x minus 0, x minus 2, and x minus 2. So it's, I meant to rewrite this differently. It's x minus a negative 2, x minus a negative 2. So these double negatives are going to make an x plus 2. And since there's two quantities, it's going to be x plus 2 quantity squared. Outside it will simply be an x. What you cannot do is you cannot just take this and distribute this through. So what I would not want to see you do is write x squared plus 2x quantity squared. That x cannot be distributed through when our exponent outside is anything other than 1. If you're a little confused, if I slow this down, it's x minus 0, x minus a negative 2, x minus a negative 2. Two negatives make a positive. That's just x plus 2 since it's written twice, x plus 2 quantity squared, and then x minus 0 is simply x. Okay, let's come off to the side and write this down. We have x subtract 1 plus the square root of 2i, and we have x subtract 1 minus the square root of 2i. Oh, that looks a bit like a big mess. So x subtract 1, subtract the square root of 2i, x subtract 1 plus the square root of 2i. This is a perfect opportunity to use what I'll refer to as the Damien method. We have the fronts are exactly the same, and we have the same quantity in back, but one's positive and one's negative. So how do we apply this Damien method? I write down what I have, and I have two of them. So x minus 1 quantity squared, and then I'm going to multiply these back. So negative times a positive is a negative. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4, and you have two i's, I squared. So negative, well, the square root of 4 is 2, and I squared is a negative 1. When I multiply the backs of these, it's the same or equivalent to a positive 2. I'm going to write this quantity down twice, and I'm going to go through it and I'm going to FOIL it. Front, inside, outside, last, and now I'm going to bring over the plus 2. So it's x squared minus 2x plus 3. That's taking these two given roots and combining them. Now what am I going to combine that with? Well, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to FOIL this out. So x plus 2 times x plus 2. That's x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. So in this position, I have x squared plus 4x plus 4, and then outside we still have that x. Now is when I can distribute that. So x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x times x squared minus 2x plus 3. Now what we could do is you could do 9 times. So distribute, distribute, distribute. There's 3 more, there's 3 more, and combine like terms. I'm going to choose to make a 3 by 3 box. Okay, so x cubed, 4x squared, and 4x, x squared, negative 2x, and a positive 3. And now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to multiply. So x to the 5th, 4x to the 4th, 4x cubed. Negative 2x to the 4th, minus 8x cubed, minus 8x squared, 3x cubed, plus 12x squared, plus 12x. Okay, let's combine like terms and we'll be done with this problem. There's only one term that has x to the 5th. Now x to the 4th, a positive 4x to the 4th, and a negative 2x to the 4th combines to give us 2x to the 4th. Let's look at the 3's. Okay, 3 and 4 is 7. 7 minus 8 is a minus 1x to the 3rd. Positive 12 and a negative 8 is a positive 4x squared plus 12x.